Hello, and welcome to our social media how-to series. My name is Brooke Schlatter, and I'm a junior from Perrysburg, Ohio, studying marketing and international business. I'm also a Schmidhorst College of Business student ambassador and social media intern for Schmidhorst College Dean Ray Braun. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own LinkedIn account. On LinkedIn, you can connect with Dean Ray Braun to stay up to speed on events in the Schmidhorst College and updates on student and alumni success stories. Let's get started. To create a LinkedIn account, first go to linkedin.com. Once you arrive, go to the upper right-hand corner of the screen and click Join Now. You will then be prompted to put in your email and create a password to log in. Once you're finished, hit the Agree and Join button. Then add your first and last name and click Continue. There will be a short security check where you confirm an image to verify your account. Then you will see a screen where it is set to your current location. You can change this if need be. Fill in your most recent job title and education. You will then need to confirm your email. Once this is finished, hit the Agree and Confirm button. You will be asked a short series of questions that you can skip for now. Then hit the blue Finish button in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you have your very own LinkedIn page. When you connect with people or businesses, you will see their posts here. You will even see the posts that they like and comment on. To connect with others, there's a search bar in the upper left-hand corner of the page. You can search for friends, colleagues, or businesses you'd like to stay in touch with. Send an invitation to connect with that person and they will accept or deny. To stay connected with us at the Schmidhorst College of Business, you can connect with Dean Ray Braun. Search his account by looking up Raymond Braun. Once you're at his account, you will have the option to either message the dean or send him a connection by clicking the three-dot button and hitting the drop-down Connect message. This will send him an invitation to connect, which will say pending for now, but he will accept it whenever he's available so that you can stay up to date on events and successes in the Schmidhorst College of Business. Now you will go to the upper right corner of your screen to view your own profile. Click the drop-down View Profile button. Here, you will be able to see all of your own posts and information. To edit your page, click the pencil icon in the right-hand corner. Now go to the top middle home button and go back to your home page. Here, you can make a post by clicking the Start a Post button. You can type anything you would like to write and click Post. This will appear on both your profile and Connections homepages. Congratulations, you now have your own LinkedIn account. Be sure to stay updated. I look forward to seeing you on LinkedIn.